guys, there it is on my porch. The Euros. Oh yeah, let's open this baby up. Excuse the mess. So I had to be quiet because my kids were sleeping and it was nap time. I mean, for those of you who have kids know, nap time is sacred. You can't mess that up. But let's go install these freaking lights. Thank you, Carbon Bargain. There's just something about boxes that gets me all Christmas. I'm so excited. All right, guys, so this is my buddy Chance. He's gonna help me with the install because as you guys know by now, I am a car idiot. I'm in that shadow, and so he's gonna help me not break the car. So these are the Euros from Europe, so it's got all the, they're not exactly plug and play, these parts are, but we're gonna have to wire up into the third brake light, so that's gonna be interesting. It's gonna involve pulling up some of the, what do you call it, like the roof?
So it'll tie in with the brake lights down on the lower end, and then it'll tie in with the actual third brake light.
I actually just meant the material that's like on the lining. Is the lining. The lining, that was the word I was looking for.
The lining.
So we're about to do that. I'm nervous, dude. I'm nervous, man.
I get nervous in front of those. I'm not nervous about this.
Oh, dude. So you guys have seen like this thing, I'm sure, done a million times, but we'll outline some of it. But this is not an install video. This is more of a, hey, maybe these guys will mess up and have something interesting, but I hope we don't. All right, Chance. So when you do this, this car is no longer going to be like stock.
No, it's first mod.
First, like official mod, not the gay carbon stuff that I've been doing.
That carbon's cool, man.
Like this is an actual mod. So will you do the honors?
I will. So pull it out, connector comes out, and then it should be plug and play on these.
Hey, I'm going to sell those.
Sweet. Make some money, man.
You think I can make 500 off them?
Probably.
Yeah, I think like OEM brand new, I think they're like 700.
Yeah, definitely. I definitely would make money off these. I wish they'd fit on my car. How plug and play they were.
James is about to look at these warlocks. Yeah, you gotta know your rights and your lefts, you know what I'm saying?
It's difficult. Your righty tighties and lefty loosies.
So let's like take a look at these in the sun, like rip the, peel back these bad boys.
Oh, I'll let you do the honors of that. That's so satisfying.
Oh. Boom.
These are gorgeous.
I like them. Put it right up next to the, so it's got, I never noticed that it has like the lines here, but like you just notice them so much more on this. I like that, man.
Yeah, so this is super cool.
So I guess you just feed the wire.
Yeah.
You can grab it from the other side.
Yeah.
All right, pull that in.
And then that grommet will just push in. Line up your holes.
Well, since I'm a crappy camera guy, we're gonna do this and get back to you. All right, so we're monkeying around with the wiring. So the way it's gonna work, and I know this because Chance just told me, so I don't know things, but the wire is gonna connect right there, and we're gonna run a wire here and connect it to this one when we install it. But check it out, guys. Wow. Yeah, that's a huge difference. I like it so much better.
That looks amazing.
Yeah, the Carbon Bargain guys were right. I was in between. I wasn't sure if I wanted to do it.
Yeah.
I'm so glad I did.
That looks so much better.
Yeah.
Ford should have done it this way.
Well, they did in Europe. They just didn't do it in America because America likes that red and white. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
All right, guys, we're doing a little pre-game. The brake lights don't work yet. Oh, nice. Oh, they're amber. Would you do them red or would you do them amber? What do you think?
That's amber, bro.
Huh?
That's amber.
No, I'm saying they're amber. Yeah. I said, would you keep them amber or would you do red?
I don't know. Yeah, I've never seen ambers like that, and I think they look sweet.
Yeah, that's pretty freaking cool. Man, I love this. Now we got to do the brake light. Well, the third light, yeah. Dang, check that out, guys. I love that. It just makes it look so menacing. Yeah. I believe the word I want to say is monochromatic, but that's one color. Yeah. Mono's one, so it's not. It's, what's the black and white? I'm stupid, guys. Whatever. All right, guys, let me just add that this is really hard to do for two fat guys. But, Chance, how did we do it?
We were looking at it, and we popped the seatbelt cover off. That goes right here.
Right.
And then we popped the B-pillar plastic off.
Right.
And we're going to run it in the B-pillar and then up in the ceiling, and it will connect to the brake light right here.
Okay. Yeah, guys, we were trying to watch some videos, and a lot of people didn't show this part, but these are the Euros, and you're going to have to run this if you want your brake lights to work. Otherwise, they won't.
And then in the back, we just run it in the trunk carpet.
Yeah.
And you'll never see it, and it'll be out of the way. It's not going to get caught on anything. So.
And this pulled right off, but we didn't pull out both sides. So you maybe can or maybe can't, but yeah. So we're showing this part of the install. That way we're contributing to the world instead of just doing it before and after. But yeah, so there we go, guys. There she is, guys. Little nip tuck. And it's totally hidden, and we're going to run it there. And we're about done.
Yep, almost there.
I'm freaking pumped. So excuse the messy trunk, but no wires. And it's completely tucked. I gotta clean this out, but guys, wow, we finished. There she is. All done. I'll probably have a chance to just drive off in the sunset with it and just do some turn signals and brake stuff. I think I'm gonna keep them amber and then keep the brake lights red. All right, here's the victory lap. I like that it's amber. That looks good. Oh yeah. Very nice. See ya, guys. I'm back home. Man, I think they look really awesome. I'm really excited about these. But yeah, guys, so make sure to subscribe, make sure to like, and lowering springs on Tuesday, and then hopefully H-pipe next week, towards the end of next week. But yeah, thanks you guys.